Welcome dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am Barun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Jazira Mahorali Model High School, Jazira Shoretpur, Class 9 to 10, English second paper. What do you see in the picture? It is a question mark. Notice the sentences. They are funny, aren't they? That's a big car, isn't it? You shouldn't throw your toys, should you? I am too small, aren't I? We don't do that, do we? He can climb up the tree, can't he? You are lucky, aren't you? Dear student, next slide. Today's lesson, third question. Let's go start now. Learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to define a question tag, identify a tag form, use of different tags. Dear student, follow the next slide. Definition of tag question. Tag question is a special grammatical structure. It is a statement followed by a tag or mini question. Examples: the horse is running. The sentence is positive, tag will be negative, isn't it? The scenery is very beautiful, isn't it? Dear student, do you understand? Yes. Tag for: do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, am not, aren't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't, will not, won't, shall not, shan't, cannot, can't, would not, couldn't, might not, mightn't, must not, mustn't, ought not, oughtn't, need not, needn't, dare not, daren't. Dear student, positive tag with helping verb. Structure: the given sentence, comma, plus ent, plus subject, plus question mark. You are a student, aren't you? This statement is positive, tag will be negative. They are going to school, aren't they? The statement is positive, tag will be negative. He is going to school, isn't he? Dear student, do you understand? Rules for positive tags without auxiliary verb. Structure: the given sentence, comma, plus doesn't, don't, didn't, plus subject, plus question mark. He reads a book, doesn't he? This statement is positive. Tags will be negative. I saw him yesterday. Didn't I? This statement is past tense. They play cricket. Don't they? The statement is positive, tag will be negative. Dear student, do you understand? Negative tag question. Structure: the given sentence, comma, auxiliary verb, plus subject plus question mark. Vishal is not a bad student, is he? They are not going to school. Are they? They will not go to school. Will they? Dear student, this statement is negative. Tag will be affirmative. Dear student, sense of subject. Subject of statement, subject of tag. Shuma, noun. Tag a she, pronoun. Rana, noun. Tag question subject হবে pronoun. Body, somebody, anybody, everybody, nobody ইত্যাদি থাকলে কি হবে? দে হবে সাবজেক্ট হিসাবে. অন, সামান, এভরিওয়ান, ইটিসি দে বসাতে হবে. থিং, সামথিং, এভরিথিং, নাথিং, এনিথিং থাকলে কি হবে? সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে ইট বসবে. আল্লাহ, গড. হি, ক্যাপিটাল লেটারে হি বসবে. অল প্লাস নাউন, দে. অল স্টেটমেন্ট থাকলে ট্যাগে হবে ইট. ফার্স্ট পারসন, সেকেন্ড পারসন, থার্ড পারসন থাকলে ট্যাগের সাবজেক্ট হবে উই. সেকেন্ড পারসন, থার্ড পারসন থাকলে ট্যাগ হবে ইউ. থার্ড পারসন প্লাস থার্ড পারসন থাকলে ট্যাগে হবে দে. ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, লেটস গো নেক্সট slides. Follow the example. Shuma is a girl, isn't she? Rana is a boy, isn't he? No, everybody saw you, didn't they? Allah can help me, can't he? Everything was lost, wasn't it? All is oil, isn't it? All books, all plus nouns are useful, aren't they? Runa and Shuma are clever, aren't they? I, you and he are lazy, aren't we? You and he are clever, aren't you? Dear student, let's go another slides. As well as with, together with, along with, accompanied by, and not etc. If two subjects are added, the verb will be placed according to the first subject. প্রথম সাবজেক্ট অনুসারে ভার্বটা বসবে. শিমুল as well as her sisters was present. শিমুল প্রথম সাবজেক্ট, ওয়াজটা শিমুল অনুসারে বসছে. wasn't he, to tag hears. The headmaster along with the student has planted saplings, hasn't he? Can headmaster প্রথমে সাবজেক্ট, প্রথম সাবজেক্ট, এই কারণে ভার্ব হ্যাজ হয়েছে এবং ট্যাগেও যে হি বসছে. সুমন অ্যান্ড নট হিজ ব্রাদার হ্যাজ টু গো টু মার্কেট. সুমন এবং তার ভাইরা নয়, হ্যাজ টু গো টু মার্কেট, বাজারে যেতে হয়েছিল. হ্যাজেন্ট হি, সুমন অনুসারে সাবজেক্ট হি বসছে. মিস্টার রহমান accompanied by his children has attended the party. মিস্টার রহমান তার শিশুদের সাথে পার্টিতে উপস্থিত হয়েছে. হ্যাজেন্ট হি, তাহলে রহমান অনুসারে সাবজেক্ট ভার্ব আসছে এবং সাবজেক্ট হি আসছে. ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, if, neither, seldom, rarely, hardly, scarcely, barely, few, little, never, nobody, no one, nothing, none, etc. The statement is negative. In this case, the tag will be affirmative. He hardly comes here. Hardly, kadachit. Does he? This statement is negative. Positive will be tag will be negative. Neither of them did the work. Did they? He has few friends. Has he? The statement is negative. The tag will be positive. A barking dog seldom bites. ঘেউ ঘেউ করা কুকুর কদাচিৎ কামড়ায় না বন্ধুরা। Does it? Nobody comes here. Do they? I have few friends. Have I? Statement is negative, tag will be positive. Milk is scarcely found in the market. Is it? Nothing is impossible. Is it? Dear student, let's go another slides. Home activities. Everybody loves flowers. Everyone has a computer. He does not go to school. No one was there. I have a few friends. Dear student, কাজগুলো তোমরা বাড়ি থেকে করে নিয়ে আসবে। See you again. Tag part 2. Thanks to all.